We're ready. We're ready.
Are you sure?
We're so ready. I don't believe you guys.
We've not met him.
You haven't had the pleasure. If you will. Of meeting my panda / raccoon hat. Not really sure the animal. This hat means a lot to me.
You can just call it the Randa hat.
His name's Randa. Randa the panda. Randa has been through a lot with me, and I have hid him away in my closet. I didn't think you guys were ready to meet him.
Now.
But he's back! He's back in black! And I did get a speeding ticket once because the police officer, if you will, didn't enjoy Randa.
Are you sure it wasn't because you were...
No, I may have been speeding a little bit, but he saw the silhouette from behind me of Randa's ears and did not care for him at all.
So you were pulled over for having ears?
That's what I'd like to say. It had nothing to do with breaking the
I
law.
would have appealed it.
Thank you. And also, that may have been a time whenever I was driving Bond.
No, I meant like, the hat appeals to me.
I'm going to ignore that comment. I was driving Bond, my car, and his window didn't roll down at that time. So I did have to open my door, and the police officer thought I was attacking him with Randa. And I had to say, "Officer, I have no weapons. My window doesn't roll down." And that's why Randa means a lot to me.